was last Wednesday night in Stevenson, Washington, on the northern bank of the muddy Columbia River by the excellent hospitality of Yamaha for the launch of the new Tracer 900 GT. I was slurping a fine glass of the local vino when I overheard Greg the Rider magazine guy talking about riding home to SoCal on the new bike, via the Cascades and other places. I wanna ride home, too, I heard myself saying in my typical half-serious manner. You can if you want to, said Marcus the Yamaha guy. I can. Yes. We can craft you a bike. For me, this is good planning, Agnes. A quick Google informed me that Portland to Los Angeles was 964 miles. The fine print I ignored was via I-5 the whole way. My scheduled return flight, 2 hours, wasn't going to have me home until 4 p.m. Friday afternoon anyway, so why not drive? For a few dollars more, the new Tracer 900 GT version of what used to be the FJ09 gets new color-matched hard bags, adjustable suspenders, cruise control, bright new LED lights, a swell TFT display, and some other stuff you'll grow to love, including a center stand. All the basic building blocks for long-term love, really. It's part of Yamaha's new vision for sport touring, somebody said. The next day, Thursday, I'd get to ride a new GT all day on the excellent roads around the Columbia Gorge, so I decided I'd keep my ride-home options open. Let the butt decide. Has it really been 3.5 years since the new FJ09 bested all comers in this 4-bike land of the roosting sun come Pearl? We loved Yamaha's 847cc triple then. Maybe I'd forgotten how much. A big part of the FJ's ability to be a bigger, more powerful bikes then was the things like the Ducati Versys 1000 and Suzuki V-Strom 1000 are just a bigger. On the official most scales, the FJ09 with bags weighing at 494 pounds. That's really light for a sport tourer, and remains a huge part of the new Tracer's appeal, depending on how big the rider is. At the same time, plugging that last FJ onto the dynamometer revealed an engine that makes 104 horses up top, 9,900 revolutions per minute, dash more than the V-Strom 1000 and almost as much as the 107 horsepower Kawasaki Versys 1000, even if Yamaha's 847cc triple isn't quite as torquey as those bikes at lower RPM. The Tracer still feels plenty intense in its mid-range and has no problem lugging down to 2,500 revolutions per minute in 6th gear either. It was a quick handling bike in 2015, and nothing's changed except Yamaha extended the swing arm by 60mm to 59.1 inches to provide more room, a change that doesn't seem to have affected the bike's foot speed much at all. Quick side-to-side direction changes with the gas on will still pick the front wheel up in 2nd gear. This is a sporty sport tourer. Anyway, with the Tracer GT, the goal was to increase versatility and comfort, by adding a 5mm thicker and comfier seat using multi-density foam, adjustable to 33.5 or 34.1 inches, narrowing the handlebar by about 0.65 inch, and adding a bigger new aero windshield that's one-hand adjustable. Passenger accommodations receive an upgrade too.